Hello guys! Today we'll show you how to install Elfsight widget to GoDaddy website. First, let's make the special installation code. GoDaddy uses iframes, and with the standard widget code, some widgets may not work as they should. Go to Elfsight editor and open your widget. Take a look at the URL. Copy the symbols after the last slash. That is your widget ID. Now, go to comments under the video and get the code from the pinned comment. In this code, replace widget ID with the one we just got. That's it. We got the installation script. Let's move to GoDaddy editor. Choose your website, hit Manage, Edit Website. Choose the page and place where the widget should be and click Add Section. In this menu, we need to find HTML. Click Add. Now just paste the installation code we got to Custom Code section. Widget will not be visible in Editor as the red message says. No need to worry. It will be perfectly visible live. Just hit Done and publish the changes. Let's check it on the live page. Great, here it is. Just in case you wanted to add the widget to multiple pages, you need to do the same process manually on each of them. If you still have any difficulties, check our Help Center article, link in the description, and feel free to reach us at support@elfsight.com. We're always there to help. Thank you for watching and being with us.